Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I have something new. Yes, something new from HTVRONT. And this is the phone case heat press. See, when you open, it has a chamber up here where you're going to place the case and then you're going to heat press so you can make beautiful cases for the phones and personalize them, use the designs that you want. And along with the machine, you're going to receive a pair of heat press gloves. Those are heat resistant gloves. And you will receive one universal phone case fixture. And this is for iPhone. I don't know if you had to choose between iPhone and Android. I received both for the review, but it looks like this. And also you will receive tweezers and 3 patches that you can sublimate. And then this fixture that has these 3 batches fixture, and you can place the batches right here. So after you place them, you're going to put in the chamber and you're going to heat press. See? And on the other side, it's marked already for other items that you can place and sublimate as well. And also you will receive that sublimation film, which is this one right here. And it looks like this is clear, and you have to keep close all the time so it can work better when you print it. And you have to keep it close like this. See? So those are the items that comes with the machine, but I also received some cases so I can practice and make a review. And I received this one that is a coaster for sublimation. Then tag that looks like this, a travel tag, and it comes with this, see, to put it on your luggage. See, and also one of these keychains that you can sublimate on both sides. And I also got a heat resistant tape and the other fixtures for Android cases. See, and I also got one of these ceramic decoration, and it's for maybe Christmas or something. You can sublimate anything and that would be a nice gift. So stay with me until the end to see all the samples that I'm going to make. Now the machine is plugged in and you can see the white light flashing. Now you can press there and it's going to turn on. Then right here you have the temperature button, timer button, and then you have these 2 buttons for increasing or decreasing, and this is for start. It's very simple, and this machine doesn't need to be connected to the computer through USB or Wi-Fi. Okay, you don't need that. This is the temperature light, and when you press and it shows the yellow light, it's going to be for the upper plate. Red light is going to be for the lower plate. Okay, so I'm going to press and you set up the temperature at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And I did the same thing for the lower plate, the 275 degrees. Then this is for the button for the timer, and for preheating it shows yellow and it's 5 seconds, and for ironing it's going to turn red and I set up at 300 seconds. And when the machine is ready, the start button will show a green light. And before you sublimate the case, make sure that is the model that you chose and the name and number is right here. See, for example, this one is iPhone 16 Pro. Okay, can you see? And now this is the one that I'm going to use for the sample. And here is the fixture that I'm going to use, and this is for iPhone. And for this model, I'm going to add these little pieces. They come, okay, because it's going to be like that, the size of the case, and I'm going to place it to make sure that it fits. So you had to cover as much as you can. And I also have this piece, and it has written right here for 16 Pro. Can you see iPhone 16 Pro? So this one, it's going to go in there. Okay, so I'm going to first put this one to preheat. Okay, and this one later with a case. And you will receive small pieces like this for the fixture, and all of these are, for example, for the lens part right here, and they are for different models, and all of them are marked right here with a name. And I put Androids right here and iPhones right here, so you can organize something like this and have them ready for using with the heat press. When you open the Locklick Idea Studio, you will see the canvas like this, and you're going to choose My Device, the HTVRONT phone case heat press. Then you're going to choose your device and the device model. When you click on a model, you will see two frames. The red frame is the size of the device, and the green frame is where your image needs to fit. And here is the sample that I'm using, and as you can see, I cover up to the green line. And also it's nice that you can center any character or image that you want to put in the center. You will find a large variety of devices and different models and different substrates. For example, keychains, ceramic plates, luggage tags, coasters, or badges. And this is the sample of the badges that I'm going to make, and as you can see, it's easy to center them. For printing, go to Files and click on Print and follow the instructions of your sublimation printer. This is the sublimation film that you need to use with this machine. It's matte on one side and glossy on the other side, and the printing side is the matte side. I place the matte side down and I cover it on the glossy side with a printer paper and some masking tape. And I do this because my printer doesn't detect the film. Then just follow the instructions of your sublimation printer. For example, in mine, I have to put it upside down in order to print. And when you are done, just pull them apart and you can save the printer paper for another project. And for my first sample, I'm going to make a phone case. So now I'm going to wear gloves, and I'm going to just wear one right here because I'm going to place the fixture, and this is hot already. Okay, so I'm going to place it like this. Okay, see, that's okay, you can just do it like that. And I'm going to preheat. Now I'm going to place the case on top like this, and I'm going to add this piece right here, and I have right here the design, and I'm going to place it upside down, and I need to center it. And after I center it, I'm going to put this one down. Okay, now I'm going to press the green button, and it's going to start pressing. It's normal to make that sound, and now the vacuum system is going to grab the paper, the film down. And the loud sound, it's only 1 minute, and then the rest is going to be silent like this. Now it's ready, and we are going to open to see how it looks. As you can see, here is the case, and I'm going to peel the film. And carefully, you're going to grab the case. And as you can see, it has rich colors all the way around. See? And the image looks sharp and bright. And this is another sample that I made. And this one looks like this. And when you order the cases, you're going to order the glossy ones or a matte. And this is the difference. See? Can you see? The glossy looks like that, and the matte looks like this. See? So you can choose between these two when you order the cases. Now that the machine is preheated, I'm going to place this one. Okay, and you just place these fixtures of the batches like this. Okay, and I'm going to use my glove because the machine is hot, and I'm going to place this one on top. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to place the batches on top of them on the top. Just like that. And I have the paper that I want for them right here. So I need to see where they are going to. I need to center it a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to close and press start. Now I'm going to open to see the batches, and you first pull the film. And here is how they look. See? This was supposed to be black, and this one is red. And I see that the ink is still in here, but because I removed them, I cannot put it again. And as you can see, right here, there is a lot of ink that needs more time. Or you can increase the temperature. Here, I sublimated a coaster, and this is how it looks. It looks so beautiful. And here is another sample. I sublimated a luggage tag. And I attached the tag to the film using heat-resistant tape to keep the image centered. And here is a beautiful tag for a gift or for yourself to decorate your luggage. Now I'm trying to get the photograph of my new puppy on a ceramic plate, and let's see how it looks. I have also secured the ceramic plate with tape in the back. The image is sharp, and I can make lots of these for Christmas gifts. Now I'm going to remove this plate using the tweezers, and I pull it up, and now I'm going to make another phone case, and I preheating it, and I have everything ready, and I'm using a case that is glossy. And for this one, I increased the temperature to 310 degrees Fahrenheit. And I didn't use the metal that goes on the lens place. This phone case heat press is amazing. You can get the designs that you want, and even with images or words, you can print anything that you want and transfer to the case. Doesn't look gorgeous? Look, everything is covered. All of the sides, can you see? Even on the lens part, you can see that it's all covered around. See? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Can you believe that you can make all of this with just one machine? I hope you like this review, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you want to visit HTVRONT and get one machine, the link is going to be in the description box. And now there is a discount for all of you. It's going to be in the description box as well, so take a look, and you don't want to miss that big discount. And as always, thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.